Drone Odyssey is a platform that Science Centre Singapore championed, and it is a good platform for us to excite, especially our young people, about the wonderful innovation that is empowered and propelled by science, technology, engineering, and maths. And therefore, Drone Odyssey is for us to journey forward to make the best of the technology that give us a better world, a sustainable future.
In conjunction with our Smart Nation movement, right? I think critical thinking mindset, design thinking mindset, and then the structured thinking, all these kind of mindsets is important to build into the students nowadays. By having this kind of STEM educational thinking concept, we found that the students have actually excelled different levels of how they resolve problems, how they look into problems, how they analyze the problem and seriously address the problems.
It's a real-world drone system but brought down for us. We had to think of ways to do our challenge and build our drones. There's no fixed way of doing it, and it's more of brainstorming and thinking of ideas and being innovative.
Well, I found drones really interesting, but I did not like the coding part of it. But to see that now I know how to control my own drone, it has definitely been more interesting. We also have to think about all the aspects that go into flying the drone, so if there is any wind that may affect the flight and a lot more.
We all have different roles and we need to work together and collaborate, especially for the finals when we had to split our time between presentation and actually coding the drone.
Through this challenge, I actually realized that drones can be used for things like security or can be used in case of emergencies. Like they can provide aid, they can carry weapons, and they can even do surveillance, which is also much that I haven't even realized before I entered this challenge. And I know that only if we play each of our roles well, then we can actually get the challenge completed well.